Nestled in the historic suburb of Balmain, Sydney, Balmain Rock House stands as a compelling dialogue between past and present. Originally an 1860s sandstone cottage in Sydney's inner west, this residence underwent a thoughtful transformation by Benn and Penna Architects to become a home that respects its heritage while embracing contemporary design. At the heart of the project was a sensitive restoration of the original sandstone cottage. Unsympathetic additions were carefully removed to expose the historic fabric, allowing the old dwelling to once again take center stage as the primary living space. This restored cottage now serves as a warm, intimate gathering room with a renewed sense of presence. Behind the original structure, the design introduces a new concrete pavilion that contains the kitchen, dining areas, bedrooms, and bathrooms. Conceptually, this pavilion acts as a shadow of the original cottage, echoing its scale and roof geometry while translating those qualities into a modern architectural language. A sculpted skylight plays a central role, bringing an intense yet calm natural light into the dining space, the heart of daily life. Upstairs, bedrooms are arranged at either end of the pavilion, separated by a central void that reinforces openness and visual connectivity throughout the home. A small flight of steps from the dining area descends into a secluded rear garden. Conceived as a hidden oasis, this garden is intentionally concealed from view until discovered, creating a contemplative outdoor retreat. The rear facade itself appears almost like a ruin, framed by lush plantings that enrich the sensory experience. Concrete was selected not just for its durability, but for its weight and rock-like qualities, creating a material connection to the sandstone. As one moves through the house, These materials, concrete, recycled brick, and stone, articulate a spatial journey that feels grounded, tactile, and resonant with history. Balmain Rock House exemplifies how architectural interventions can honor heritage while thoughtfully extending it. Through careful material choices, spatial choreography, and light-filled moments, the project offers not only a place to live but a source of inspiration, a model for integrating old and new in ways that feel both respectful and transformative.